Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel. This is Luchi's Design. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to create your own 2D and 3D flower applique that you can use to design your clothes. Please make sure you watch to the end because I'll be showing you material that you need to achieve a neat finishing. The materials that I will be working with are my gum. I'll be using B7000. You can use any other fabric gum. This is hemming gum. This is very important. This is the fabric I'll be working with. Is an organza fabric. You can use any other fabric like satin. This one is a crinoline mesh. This crinoline mesh is what will make the organza fabric very strong and stable without the need of copper wire. I also have this thread. It's an invisible thread. You also need it. As we proceed, I'll be showing you other material that we will need for this project. This is my copper wire. I'll be showing you how you can use this copper wire to make 3D applique. Okay, I will use this pattern paper to illustrate how to cut the leaf pattern. So you need to draw your leaf shape. Just draw your desired shape. You can still measure it. For this one, I used 2 inches. The length is 3 inches. For the one on my thumbnail, the length is 1.5 inches. For this one, my client said she wants the leaf to be long. You don't want it short. So this is when I was cutting it. I increased it to 2.5. This is my crinoline mesh. In order not to waste my crinoline mesh, I cut out a piece that I will use for this project. The next thing to do is to use my hemming gun to place on top of the crinoline. Just arrange it very well. Make sure there's no space in between. In case you want to buy any of this sewing material I'm working with, I have a trusted online vendor where I buy my sewing material. What you need to do is just to place your order. It will be delivered to you wherever you are. If you need their contact, just drop a message on my comment section. I will reply you. The next thing is to spray my cut out organza fabric on top of the hemming gum. Watch what I'm doing. Just spray it very well. The next thing is to iron it very well. Make sure you use your steam iron. If you don't have steam iron, you sprinkle water on it and iron it very well. If you iron it very well, you will know. Just use your steam iron to iron it flat. This is what I have when I was done ironing it. I'll flip it to the other side. What I will do is that I will also place my hemming gun on this side. Just carefully arrange your hemming gun. Arrange your hemming gun very well. After arranging your hemming gun, you now place another organza fabric on top of it. This is what I have when I was done placing my hemming gun. I will now lay my organza fabric and I will also iron it very well. This is what I have when I was done ironing it. This is what you will have. So what I will do next is just to place my pattern, my leaf pattern, and cut the pieces I want. Cut as many as you want. As you can see, it's looking very strong and neat. This is what we call 2D flowered applique. I'll show you how you can achieve 3D applique. So this is when I was done cutting it. This is the cup chain that I will be working with. You can use any other trimming. So I will show you how you can place your cup chain. I've done some of them. So before you place your cup chain, you use your candle gum to smoothen the rough edges so that it doesn't fray or look rough. This will give it a neat look. So I will now dab my gum at the edge of my flower. See what I'm doing here? just place your cup chain. Make sure you just be fast when you are doing it. Now do the other side. Make sure you arrange it the way you want. I will do the same thing on the other leaves that I have here. The difference between the 2D and 3D applique is that the 2D applique does not have copper wire. Without copper wire, you can't do a 3D applique. The copper wire is what will make you to fold your flower anyhow you want it. For 3D applique, I'll just place my copper wire on the middle there. You can use your cup chain to cover it. The one I'm doing here is a 2D applique. That's why I'm not using this copper wire. It's meant to stay at a place. It's not meant to be moving around. So that's just the difference. I've done as many as I want. So the next thing now is to use my invisible thread to tack it together. I'll double my thread. I'll double it into two and put it on my needle. And I'll start arranging it. Just put it together. The good thing about this crinoline mesh is that needle can easily pass through it. It will be easy to attach on your clothes or anywhere you want to attach it. It's not like a hard gum. Some people, they like using hard gum, but when you want to tack it, you find it difficult. So I will use the one that I've done as a guide, so that two of them will be same thing. You look at the one you have done and you arrange it very well. Just attack it. Using your needle and thread will give you more professional look. So the next thing now is to attach it on my dress. For this particular dress, I want to attach it at the middle. If you check the one on my thumbnail, you find out that it's not at the middle because the flowered applique is short. So if you attach this one there, it will be choking your face. Or if you have watched up to this point, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. It will help my channel grow. And also turn on notification bell for more video. So the next thing I will do now is to use my glue gun to hold it so that I can start attaching it. I will put the dress on my mannequin so that I can see what I'm doing. If you don't have mannequin, you can also do it on your table. I'll put my thread, my invisible thread, on my needle. First of all, I'll use my glue gun to hold it so that it will be easy for me to attach it. Just carefully place it and you start your sewing. See what I'm doing here? Arrange it very well. Well, this is when I was placing it.